Hello, myself Lakshman. Today we are going to discuss the Java new topic, that is Java version. Java is an object oriented programming language, and Java was developed by the Sun Microsystems in 1995, and the father of Java is known as the James Gosling. The today's topic is Java version. So let's discuss the Java version. In the first Java version is coming in a market, came in a market in 1996. The first Java version is Java Alpha and Beta. This Java version is highly unstable API. That's why in 1996 introduced the another Java version. It is called as JDK1. It is a stable API, but not much more stable. So in added now the added the second version of Java, that is JDK 1.1, in February 1997. In this we inherit some features from the JDK 1, and the additional some features of the JDK 1.1 is concept of inner classes and JDBC. JDBC means Java database connectivity and some other features etc. Now this version is not much more sufficient to develop the application. So another version of the JDK is JDK 1.2. It is introduced JDK 1.2 in a market in December 1998. In this the additional feature is collection frameworks, and it is also called as first J2SE, that is Java 2 Standard Edition. To enhance the more property or added the more property in a JDK, then the most powerful and most concept are added to introduce the new feature or new version of the Java in 2021, September 2021, that is JDK 1.5. In this JDK 1.5, the main function or the main method is make as a static. This is one addition in JDK 1.5. The another addition is boxing and unboxing. Another addition is enumeration, and then for each loop. Now discuss the one concept, that is boxing and unboxing. To analyze or understand the concept of boxing and unboxing, firstly we understand the concept of wrapper classes. Now the wrapper class is a concept to convert the primitive data type into an object. We know that Java is an object oriented programming language. Everything in Java is an object. That's why wrapper class is used to convert the primitive data type into an object. Now let's go to the boxing. Boxing is a process to bind the data or bind the primitive data into a wrapper object class. So it is called as a boxing process. Now discuss the unboxing process. Out of the primitive data type from the wrapper class is called as a unboxing process. Instead of the 1.5, the most powerful and most beautiful concept is added in a Java. And then Java new version is introduced in the JDK new version introduced in September 2014, that is JDK 1.8, or it is also called as J2SE 1.8. In this, the most beautiful concept is added is called as a lambda expression, and then interface, functional interface, and third one is double operator semicolon, double colon operator, and next stream API, that is file handling. Why we added the new feature, that is lambda expression, in a 1.8 version? As we know that Java is a object oriented programming language, and C, C++ or other language is a procedure or functional functional oriented programming language. To add the number of features of the procedure programming language is added into the Java, because Java is only the object oriented programming language. It doesn't have the functionality of procedure language. To add the features of functional procedure language into the Java, the lambda expression is introduced in Java 1.8. Now the next double colon operator is introduced in Java 1.8. Before the Java 1.8, the double colon operator is not present, but after the 1.8, the double colon operator is introduced, but the functionality of double colon operator is different as C or C++ in Java. The double colon operator in Java, in C++, used for the scope resolution operator, but in Java the double colon operator is used for the method reference as well as constructor reference. Now the next version of the Java is Java 9. In this Java 9, we added some another features, that is JShell or JLink. By using the JLink, we develop or we create a own customized JDK. The second JDK 9 feature is HTTP2 client. That means in day-to-day life we run the server, we run the website with the help of the browser, but in JDK 9 provide a feature to directly run our HTTP connection server, direct HTTP request to direct on the server without existing the web server, without existing the browser. This is all about the version in JDK. Thank you.